So Viraj, let's start with your background. What did you do 20 years ago? And you just told me that you were doing some Navy training in Chennai.
Yeah.
So how did you go from there to starting a sauce company?
College, nahi, I was 17 when I did a 10-month course in Chennai. And so I was hired by a company called AP Moller Maersk Line. They paid for my education as well as they gave me a job. So it was 10 months of training at Chennai, and then we went out at sea. We learned and studied while getting paid at sea. Did that for 3.5 years. Finished my engineering from Singapore. This was a part of the course. Again, paid by that wonderful company. And after that I joined the company back. Did that for another year and a half, and then I resigned.
Okay.
And I joined my family business. The thing is, growing up, I come from a very middle class kind of a background, and my grandfather was a railway employee. My father again was in the merchant navy, strangely, and he
Okay.
went out, and then he came and started a business. And we were, how do I say, a very, very, very happy household, amazingly happy household. And my biggest takeaway from my childhood is the amount of hard work my father and mother are putting. So, usse directly hamara standard of living upar ho raha hai. And, so because of that excitement that I saw, I told my father I want to join his business. And he told me, beta, dekh, you can only join the family business when you're earning enough to raise your family in the same standard of comfort you've been raised in. तो ये रूल मैंने 100 बार सुना था, तो मेरे अंदर वो छप गया है. And now that I think back, I have 2 kids of my own. I would want them to do the same. So my thing is, merchant navy for me was a way to reach that salary position. So जैसे जैसे डैड की कंपनी बड़ी बेटर करती गई, वो डैड का सैलरी थ्रेशोल्ड भी बढ़ता गया. तो जब तक मैंने कॉलेज, व्हाट स्टार्टेड आउट एज अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, जब तक मैंने अपना कॉलेज खत्म किया, वो 2-3 लाख रुपए महीने पे पहुंच गई थी बात. तो मैंने कहा यार, फिर तो मर्चेंट नेवी इज द फास्टेस्ट वे टू गेट दैट सैलरी, वरना तो कभी मिलेगी नहीं. सो गॉट दैट सैलरी व्हेन आई वाज जस्ट 22. Because I started working at 17, got that salary at 22.
What was that salary?
2-3 lakh रुपए महीना.
Okay.
Yeah. So it was, why I'm saying 2-3 lakh, it's a big delta, because in merchant navy what happens is you're paid for your off months also. So the salary is 3 lakhs, but आपको for every 2 months that you work, you get 1 month off. So it averages down to 2 lakhs. Like
Okay.
that. So anyways, dad being a man of his word, मैंने उनको बोला जी मैं सैलरी आ गई है, मैं रिजाइन कर दिया, I want to join the business. I joined the business. It was a small company. मतलब it was a single digit revenue company when I joined. But 2002, market started opening up. If you remember, Big Bazaar started opening a lot of stores at that time. And it was a small, technically a mom and pop run business. And I was very lucky because I got to be hands-on. I got to, not me personally. It is very, very important for your viewers to understand. I should not get any credit of that company. It was my parents' company. I just happened to be at the right place when it started blossoming a bit. वो blossom कर रही थी और मैं साथ साथ सीखते जा रहा था. थोड़ी सी distribution सीख ली, थोड़ा सा, it was a north only company. जाके बैंगलोर खोलने का मौका मिल गया तो बैंगलोर खोल लिया. Again distribution थोड़ी सी सीख ली.
What did that company do?
It was a food company only.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and then in 2007 के आसपास, I took like a leadership role in the company. ज़्यादा अच्छा leader हूँगा नहीं, because dad decided to sell the company 1 year after I took the leadership this thing. And dad ने बेच दिया. I went to dad के, यार dad please मत बेचो. Please,
Okay.
This is my calling in life. Don't sell this company. And my father, said one thing which you can't debate with your father when he said, Viraj, my legacy in life will be that me, you and your kids will never have to worry about कहाँ रहोगे, क्या खाओगे, क्या पियोगे. I want to secure 3 generations of this family के ये stresses नहीं. The stresses which he had and my mother had when they were trying to, build a business. And then you can't debate with a logic like that. I said, Dad, fair enough. उन्होंने जिसको बेची, it was a German company. That company hired me. But I was too entrepreneurial in my nature. So 1 year later, I resigned from that company and I started a chain of restaurants.
Chain of restaurants?
Yeah.
Not one restaurant, but a chain of restaurants.
I started with one restaurant and it became 2, and then it became 3. It became, so उस time पे एम ये था कि आई ओपन 100 रेस्टोरेंट्स,
100.
एम तो देखो सबके होते हैं, सो एम था 100 रेस्टोरेंट्स का. सो व्हेन माय फादर सोल्ड हिज कंपनी, मी एंड माय ब्रदर वी हैड अ वेरी लिबरल ESOP प्रोग्राम. सो हम दोनों को कुछ कुछ पैसे मिले, तो मैंने और मेरी बीवी ने एक उस पैसों का घर खरीदा, ड्रीम हाउस, और बाकी आधे पैसे हमने रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया.
Okay.
सो रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, वो फेल हो गया.
Okay.
After 6 restaurants, I decided to pull the plug. 3 restaurants were making money on an operational level, but on a company level, we were loss making. So, and Ganesh, it is, I have said this earlier also, the restaurant business failure is a very naked failure. Your friends know you're not doing well because your restaurants are empty, your parents, your in-laws, your relatives, everyone knows you're not doing well. If a normal company is not doing well, people don't realize, whatever. But your restaurants are empty, everyone knows. This is pre-Zomato. ये भी नहीं बोल सकता था कि delivery business अच्छा चल रहा है. So, nobody kind of, it's a public failure. And my deep sense of respect for restaurateurs comes from there.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching the Indian Business Podcast. If you find value in our work, please hit that subscribe button, because for you it might be a zero effort task, but for us that subscriber count is an important instrument to get great guests to our podcast and to make this podcast better for you. So if you find value, please subscribe.